One of India's top 5 education companies, in terms of revenue, Physics Wallah, is gearing up for a 3,480 crore rupees initial public offering (IPO). The company has filed its red herring prospectus (RHP) on 4 November 2025. The IPO will open for public subscription on 11th November 2025 and close on 13th November 2025. IPO details. Issue structure. As per the RHP, the IPO is a book-building issue of 3,480 rupees crore, consisting of a fresh issue of 3,100 rupees crore and an offer for sale (OFS) of 380 rupees crore worth of shares from promoters Alakh Pandey and Prateek Boob. Price band. The price band is set between 103 rupees and 109 rupee per share. Lot size. For retail investors 137 shares per lot. Minimum investment. For retail investors 14,933 rupee per lot. Allotment listing. The basis of allotment will be finalized by 14th November 2025 and tentative listing on BSE and NSE is 18th November 2025. Bookrunning-led managers, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, JP Morgan India Private Limited, Goldman Sachs, India, Securities Private Limited, and Axis Capital Limited are the bookrunning-led managers for the IPO. Registrar, MUFG Intime India Private Limited. Use of proceeds. The net proceeds from the fresh issue will be used towards the following objectives. Fund capital expenditure towards fit-outs of companies' new offline and hybrid centers. Lease payments of existing identified offline and hybrid centers. Server and cloud-related infrastructure costs. Marketing initiatives. Invest in subsidiaries. Xylem Learning Private Limited to fund capital expenditure for fit-outs of new offline centers of Xylem and lease payments for Xylem's existing identified offline centers and hostels. Utkarsh Classes EduTech Private Limited to fund capital expenditure for Utkarsh Classes' existing identified offline centers. Funding inorganic growth through unidentified acquisitions. General corporate purposes. Acquire additional shareholding in the subsidiary, Utkarsh Classes EduTech Private Limited. About the company. Physics Wallah is a leading education technology (EdTech) company in India that offers courses through multiple learning formats, online, tech-enabled offline centers, and hybrid centers. Recognized among the top 5 education companies in India by revenue, Physics Wallah has built one of the largest student communities in the country. Their flagship YouTube channel, Physics Wallah, Alakh Pandey, has garnered approximately 13.7 million subscribers as of 15th July 2025, while their overall YouTube ecosystem reached 98.80 million subscribers as of 30th June 2025. Overall, it has grown at a robust CAGR of 41.80% between FY 2023 and FY 2025, as per the Redseer report. Disclaimer: this news is solely for educational purposes. The securities investments quoted here are not recommendatory. To read the RA disclaimer, please click here.